Though a sin entered the world through a man, through the unavailability of a man. Look, Satan fika da ukume ivatsamili. Mara Adam shifted the blame. Even today, a black man is failing to own up to his own responsibilities and expect a woman to apologize for his unavailability, which is actually wrong. The whole mentality, the whole mindset has actually shifted and perpetuated, or maybe has been promulgated into the day-to-day living of a black person. We cannot avail ourselves. We want to be rich, but we don't avail ourselves for riches. Says you want to get married, but you don't even avail yourself for a marriage. You're busy with people's husbands, but you want to get married. And for him to be recognized, short as he was, he climbed on a tree. He availed himself for an opportunity. Every Jesus lunch, dinner, how available are you for your fucking opportunities? Then stop hanging around motherfuckers who gossip about other people. Stop hanging around broke motherfuckers with broke mentality. There's nothing wrong with being broke. What is wrong is having a broke mentality, because that is what kills a dream. Who the fuck are you? Where do you want to be? How available are you for your fucking shit? Unavailability is a killer of a hell lot of dreams. Answer jam. Avail yourself, info. What is this? Avail your fucking self. Once I told her that I'm going to fuela maraji, is 7 and pound of the twin space of Langar Moon, Azalen, Marawell of cat. Kanjan, avail your fucking self. Already said chapter of Fananar, Marawell of cat way. Eh? It don't you way? Already. The 2 1 of Gigagiswai, Pengulekanar, Wafan. Marella of cat, Lembelerwa. Elak Fuma Lembelerwa already, you are busy fucking up. Tato we answer jam. Marker, your receiver is very important. But what are you receiving? I receive. What exactly are you receiving? Because you cannot withdraw where you didn't invest. And that's the problem with black people. Niggas, what's wrong with you? You can never withdraw where you didn't fucking invest. If you want to withdraw failure, your mentality, it will be of failure. You want to withdraw success, then your mindset has to be of a fucking successful human being. You cannot be a lion and eat grass. You want to live like a lion? Start chasing meat, motherfucker. Lembererin. And I got one enough to Msejeri. Marembero akato niu. Anyway, Navuya, Nawachingela Javio Suswa. You like Suka like a Facebook. You pieces of shit. And for avail yourself for your own opportunities. You wanna be successful? Avail yourself. You wanna have $1 million in your fucking account? Bank account in December? Then avail yourself for fucking opportunities that will lead to having $1 million. You understand? But if drinking beer is gonna give you millions, then something else again. If it's gonna give you money, well, I don't buy that gang. You pieces of shit.